Hi everyone, I will show you some reflection. INTJ in general are more efficient than INFJ to explain things and so to explain typology, how the cognitive function work and what they do. Explaining more things in shorter video in less time, we can simplify, condense everything, giving the essential and still bring detail. INFJ use image, analogies, NI to explain things due to TE trickster and sometimes blurry TI. They have difficulty to express thought TE, or it will be shy, weird and slow with TI third child function. INTJ use image, analogies, NI to express feeling due to FE trickster and sometimes blurry FI. They have difficulty to express feeling FE, or it will be shy, weird and slow with FI third child function. INFJ have no issues to express their own feeling, FI through FE, FI and FE working together. INTJ have no issues to express their own thought, TI through TE, TI and TE working together. INFJ express their thought and reasoning, TI in a feeling, emotional way, FE. INTJ express their feeling and emotion, FI, in a thinking, factual way, neutral way, TE. The introverted functions are slow, take time, extroverted functions are fast, introverted functions concern only one information, extroverted functions concern many information. INTJ share, explain multiple thought, thing and fact, fast, TE, and slow, take time to express one feeling, FI. INFJ share, express multiple feeling and emotion fast, FE, and slow, take time to express one thought, thing or fact, TI. INFJ sometimes have issues with thinking. Their TI is sometimes blurry, uncertain, sometimes low awareness, low discernment of their own thought or intense thought. INTJ sometimes have issues with feeling. Their FI is sometimes blurry, uncertain, sometimes low awareness, low discernment of their feeling or intense feeling. When mature, INFJ always good at FI, FE, they have all the F feeling information and they are clear, and sometimes they are bad at TI, TE because TI blurry, uncertain and TE trickster, sometimes blind. When mature, INTJ are always good at TI, TE, they have all the T thinking information and they are clear, and sometimes they are bad at FI, FE because FI blurry, uncertain and FE trickster, sometimes blind. INFJ, TE trickster have difficulty to understand how the world, think, system work, why people have certain thoughts or think another way. INTJ, FE trickster have difficulty to understand why people are so emotional, express so much their feeling, are manipulative, play comedy, use feeling to get what they want, why people are so sad, angry, nasty, or fake to be nice and lie. INFJ may struggle with thought, logic, system, mechanism, doing, working, building, creating, practicality, utility. INTJ may struggle with feeling, social, communities, group, to comfort emotionally, to relate with others. INFJ may think they know things, whereas they don't. INTJ may think they are social, whereas they aren't. INFJ, TI, child, persona, ego, they may think they are the only one who think about a certain thing, who can do a certain thing, who can have a certain competence or capacity. They strongly value solidity, exactitude, correct information. INTJ, FI, child, persona, ego, they may think they are the only one who feel a certain way. They strongly value individuality, uniqueness, interest, passion, what is personal. INFJ and TI have deep, intense thought, but it is hard with TE trickster to explain their reasoning. However, they can express them through TI to people who will not say they are wrong or we will invalidate their thought or reasoning. INTJ and IFI have deep, intense feeling, but it is hard with FE trickster to express their feeling. However, they can express them through FI to people they feel close, comfortable with, who will not invalidate or hurt them. Sometimes INFJ don't know uncertain if an information is correct, TI, because NI doubt and TI third blurry. Sometimes INTJ don't know uncertain of what they FI like or want because NI doubt and FI third blurry. INFJ can be stubborn with their TI. We can say them the TE fact, they will ignore it and hold on with their own TI, think people share incorrect information. They may think others lie even when they don't. They may think they see clearly through people whereas they don't. If they ignore the TE fact or SE detail others share about themselves. INTJ can be stubborn with their FI, thinking they always do good, are always a good person, ignore the FE emotional reaction of others, or that they ruin the social atmosphere or the relation between two persons. INFJ may think they are the most intelligent NITI, ignoring how they may be incompetent for a lot of things, TE, and how others are intelligent too. INTJ may think they are a good person or the best NIFI, ignoring how they may be mean, have bad social behavior, be impolite, and how others are good person too. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.